I'm not okay, guys. Look. That one, there was one I literally hit. Probably out of road. Probably literally. Right over there. Right over there. Somewhere. It cut our power off and my Wi-Fi is barely even working. Like it has an exclamation mark. That means it doesn't work. I have to hold the dogs. They're scared to death. Or to death, not to death. Want me to go yell out the door?
No, I texted him. He said they're fine. They're not fine. I want my baby in here.
Then tell him to bring them in here now.
I did. He won't listen.
I hope everyone's okay. Because guys, I'm not kidding you. This is the worst storm I've ever saw in my life. And it's worse than Hurricane Matthew.
On Marco Polo and Annie?
Yeah, please.
Huh?
Yeah.
Tornado warning.
Told you there was a tornado. There's been a tornado spotted in Richland. SC. I got the weather channel. Nanny, are you okay? This is so weird because I can see you on your phone, or mommy's phone, and my phone because I'm doing a video. See? I hope you're okay. This is scary. There's literally one just at the end of our road. It's Circle Drive. Not on our road driveway, not the dirt road, but the actual road. There's probably one there, and there's literally like one over there probably. Sorry, my phone. Sorry, guys. I hope you're okay. I bet not. I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
No.
It's okay, Chubbs. Not at all. I don't really care about my noodles right now.
Huh?
I don't really care about my noodles right now.
About what?
I don't care about my noodles that much as my life right now. As everyone's life right now.
Well, I don't want to I think everybody's in there.
That'll be it. I don't even want to say anything else. I'm just...
Water,
No.